update on the equity markets. The Nifty for the second consecutive day has opened with a gap up opening. Thereafter, it traded with in a narrow range for the first part of the trading session. However, it was in the second half that the action in the Nifty picked up, and the Nifty ended the day with a 101 point gain in today's trading session. The market breadth was positive with 861 advances to 666 declines. The small cap index was up by 0.8% and the mid cap index was up by 0.7%. So the index heavyweights were the major gainers in trade today. There was sideways action in some of the mid cap and the small cap stocks, positive action. From the Nifty 50 pack, Bharti, Tata Power, Maruti and Hindalco were some of the stocks which closed with minor losses. On the flip side, HDFC, Tata Motors, ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, ONGC, L&T, GAIL were some of the Nifty heavyweights which closed with major gains in today's trading session. Now we will have a look at the daily charts. On the daily charts, we can observe that the Nifty for the second consecutive day has opened with a gap up and has formed a bullish positive candle on today's charts. We can also observe that the downward sloping resistance trend line that we were pointing out in our earlier updates from the high of 7841 which we were drawing has been broken on the upside, and the Nifty has closed above that, which indicates bullishness. It has also closed above the 20 and 40 daily moving averages. So now the Nifty, these two averages will now act as crucial supports for the Nifty in the coming trading sessions. And the fall which we have seen from the highs of 7841 in terms of Elliott wave principle, we feel that pattern is a complex corrective pattern, that is a WXYZ pattern, and which has ended at the swing low. So that indicates that the current up move is a fresh up move and which can take the Nifty up till 7970 on the upside. 7970 is the equality target of this previous wave. So we have changed our short-term trend or the short-term bias from negative to positive with a target of 7970 on the upside. Now moving on to the hourly chart, we can observe that this falling resistance trend line was acting as a crucial resistance, and in today's trading session we have closed above that, which indicates that the fall or the current resistance has been taken out on the upside. The hourly momentum indicator is also having a positive crossover, so which indicates that every dip should now be used as a buying opportunity. So considering these facts, we have changed our short-term trend to positive. Crucial supports for Nifty for the coming trading sessions are placed at 7693 and 7654. On the upside, 7753 and 7800 are crucial resistances. Now moving on to the chart of Bank Nifty, we can observe that Bank Nifty similarly also has closed with gains today. It has closed with 1.4% gains in today's trading session. HDFC Bank and HDFC are some of the stocks from the financial space that are moving quite well since past couple of trading sessions. Today ICICI Bank, State Bank of India also traded with a positive bias. So considering these facts, we conclude that the Bank Nifty will also now move in tandem with the Nifty and also trade with a positive bias. Crucial supports are placed at 14,850 and 14,700. Crucial resistances are placed at 15,135 and 15,250. So overall, friends, our view on the Nifty has changed to positive, considering the fact that the Nifty has broken and closed above a crucial resistance trend line. It is trading above the crucial moving averages. So considering these facts, we have changed our short-term trend to positive with a target of 7970 on the upside. That's all for the day. Thank you.